COVID has had a devastating impact on the kids and families we serve in terms of lost access to education, lost access to nutritious food, loss of income, and poor health outcomes. When schools closed in March, we were determined to do whatever we could to make sure that our kids were still learning and still eating nutritious foods. Since our students couldn't cook with us in the classroom, we would bring cooking home to them. We worked with our partner schools to distribute ingredient kits directly to our students so they could learn to cook virtually at home with us. It was a huge transformation in how we deliver our culinary nutrition education programs. But by the end of our summer camp program, we had managed to distribute 500 ingredient kits to 340 student homes, providing healthy food and scratch cooking lessons to more than 1,000 youth and families. The 2020 school year has begun, distance learning continues, and FoodRight remains committed to providing culinary nutrition education programs at the same level we always have. Our goal this school year is to give 360 culinary nutrition education lessons to our 1,200 students, which means distributing more than 8,000 meal kits. It's a big goal, but I know we can do it with your help. Every $5 you donate purchases a meal kit and gives a Milwaukee kid the opportunity to learn to cook for life. If there's an upside to the pandemic, it's that our students are not just cooking in the classroom, but they're cooking at home and sharing healthy meals with their families. By giving now, you make a difference. You teach a child to cook, and you feed a family in need.
Hi, I'm Brooklyn, and what I like best about cooking is preparing the food, and I always know that I put a lot of time into it. At the end, when I eat it, I always know that it's going to be something delicious, and I'm always willing to give part of it to my sister.
Yeah, that way, boom, boom, boom. I'm just pushing down and turning, down and turning.
Hi, I'm Zaria, and the thing that I like best about cooking is that my sister always makes something for me, and I like that because I know it's always going to be good.
I'm so glad Miss Lisa is our cooking teacher because she teaches us the right way to make these yummy quesadillas.
And the best